everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I got a package in the mail. Pretty excited for it because I haven't had it for a while, but it is HelloFresh. Sorry, I'm just getting it just opened right now. But I love HelloFresh. I've been using it for about 2 years. It is a little bit pricey, but if you guys use my referral link down below, you guys can get a box of this just for $20. You can basically get each meal for like $7 or $8 something dollars, $6 something. It comes out to be like $2 or $3 a person, which is a pretty good deal. I always tell people if you always wanted to try HelloFresh, basically try it and then cancel it. You can't go wrong. Otherwise, the boxes are usually $60. It's $20 a meal, $10 a person. I think that's a little expensive in my taste because, you know, you could go to a restaurant and sometimes eat even cheaper than that. I mean, it's basically the same restaurant prices is what I'm trying to say, but you cook your own food. But I get it every once in a while just because I like it. And I've been actually trying a lot of new things that I've never tried with HelloFresh before. So what they do is they send it to you in a box. Now every single box is different. Sometimes it looks like right here I got this like cotton padded stuff. Sometimes they give you, it depends on what the weather is, but they ship it pretty fast. So in the box you usually get the recipes, and then it tells you what you need to include. Usually you got to include your salt and pepper and butter and all that stuff. But the meals that I chose is the Silky Sicilian penne with tossed zucchini, mushrooms, and tomato and cream sauce. So this looks like it's a vegetarian meal. It takes about 30 minutes to make. I can't remember if I made something like this before, but I've been really into trying different things. The other one I got is a pork, sausage, and bell pepper risotto with Parmesan and lemon. So pretty good. I was always afraid to try risotto, and I'm like, it's actually pretty, you know, pretty easy. This would take about 45 minutes to make. And then the last item I picked was the Parmesan crusted chicken with creamy lemon tomato spaghetti. So I wanted to try something like that. So that is the recipes that I got. Sometimes they give you an envelope with stuff in it, with coupons. Most of the time the coupons are completely worthless. Like I got a $100 voucher for nakedwines.com. Wow, okay. And it says claim within 30 days. Well, it doesn't even have a date on here, so how do they know if I got it in 30 days? And then we got Kiwi, 20% off your order. We have a Lulu's 20%, and then Geico. So this is pretty much stupid. Some of the stuff they give you is kind of dumb, but this is advertising, so we got that if you guys need any of that stuff. But let's just dig in and share with you. So inside every single box, they give you guys a brown paper bag of what is inside, and this is going to do this for me. So I'm just going to take these off. So the first one we got is the Silky Sicilian penne. It felt like this box was leaking when I was bringing down the stairs, but I don't know if it was leaking. We will see. Then we have the Parmesan crusted chicken, and then we have the pork sausage bell pepper risotto, and then on the bottom I have two meats. Yeah, it's the ice pack. I think it's just the condensation. We have the sweet Italian pork sausage, and there's 2 big giant ice packs in here, which is perfect for if you guys need to go camping or something. And then here is the boneless chicken. Now I've had bad luck in the past with HelloFresh from time to time. Sometimes they've given me a credit for just the meal, and sometimes they've given me a credit for the whole box. So it just depends on the problem. But let me share with you guys what we're going to have. So I'm probably going to open the Silky Sicilian is what I'm kind of probably going to have for dinner tonight. And I will share with you guys the meals in a separate video. So let me share with you what you get. So here is the penne noodles. Perfect. One thing I do also do is I keep all of the recipe cards in a little binder that I have. So if I ever want to make that meal again, I can always just go and buy the ingredients and make it, you know, myself. So that is what I do. Here we got some chives. This thing got popped open, but some chives. A big thing of a cucumber or zucchini. I don't even know what this is. What is this, Jennifer? A zucchini. I'm sorry. I don't eat zucchini very often. We got a whole thing of portobello or baby bella mushrooms. Yes. We got some grape tomatoes. Why? Why, Jennifer? Seriously. I was just reading if they have a date on here. Sometimes they do have the dates, like when this stuff should be used by. We got a small little lemon. It looks kind of green, but we got a lemon. There's still a lot of stuff in here. Okay. So I got like 3 things of sour cream. Sometimes they give them to you in this little thing, and then sometimes I've seen them in other things, but it looks like I got 2 of them. I thought it was 3 of them. And then we got Italian seasoning. Now their seasonings used to be like in a container where you couldn't see it. Now this is that. And then what I do with these is I actually put them in my other seasonings because I don't like that stuff go to waste. We got some Parmesan cheese. And then here is the mushroom broth concentrate. So that is what is in one of the bags. So basically they give you a step-by-step instructions of how to make the meal. It's pretty easy. Sometimes the instructions are kind of stupid, but it's pretty easy. But I just like to share with you guys what I got. If you guys do join, I get like a little, I can basically get, you know, a free meal is what I basically get when you guys click my referral link, so then I can share with you guys more deals. Or, you know, when you join, you can also get other people to join too. But I always say try it, then cancel it, just to, you know, so you guys can try a good meal for 20 bucks. That's awesome. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys when I cook those meals. You can see what they look like after they're cooked. See you guys later. Bye-bye.